Crypto was supposed to change the world. A new kind of money, free from banks, governments, and control. For a while, it looked unstoppable. Bitcoin rose to tens of thousands of dollars, NFTs sold for millions, and headlines promised a financial revolution. But behind the hype lies a darker story. For every success, there are scams, crashes, and billions of dollars lost. This is the dark side of crypto. The first problem is volatility. Prices can soar one day and collapse the next. In 2021, Bitcoin reached nearly $70,000. Just months later, it lost more than half its value. Entire fortunes vanished overnight. Unlike traditional markets, crypto isn't backed by cash flow, profits, or regulation. It runs on speculation and belief, which makes it fragile. Crypto has also become a playground for scammers. Fake coins, pump and dump schemes, and rug pulls trick investors into handing over money, only to see it disappear. In 2022 alone, billions were stolen in crypto scams. Because transactions are irreversible and mostly anonymous, once money is gone, it's gone for good. Even big projects aren't safe. Remember FTX? Once valued at $32 billion, it collapsed in a matter of days, taking customer funds with it. Thousands of people learned the hard way that even the biggest names in crypto can fail. Blockchain technology is secure in theory, but exchanges and wallets are frequent targets for hackers. Millions of dollars vanish from crypto platforms every year. Unlike a bank account, there's no insurance, no helpline, no safety net. Crypto also has a hidden environmental cost. Bitcoin mining alone uses more electricity than some entire countries. The machines that solve complex puzzles to keep the network running consume vast amounts of power, contributing to pollution and climate concerns. Governments are still struggling to regulate crypto. This freedom attracts innovation, but also crime. From money laundering to illegal marketplaces, crypto's anonymity is a magnet for shady activity. And ordinary investors often pay the price, the harsh reality. For some, crypto has been life-changing, creating millionaires and new industries. But for many more, it's been a story of broken promises, drained savings, and shattered trust. Crypto isn't just a technology, it's a gamble. And unless you fully understand the risks, the dark side may cost more than you can afford. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.